The big one? There we go.
Megabits, which is the LTE for device. This is the antenna for coverage within the area. I have the unit kind of. Yeah, and this is now doing the upload speed. The download speed was 17.9 megabits per second, and the upload is 44.4 megabits per second with a 29 millisecond latency. Okay, so now we unplug the unit so it no longer has power, and we're now going to do a speed test with the door closed in the RV and see what speeds we get with Verizon. Okay, so we're getting a 6.09 megabits per second download speed. And a 2.9 megabits per second upload speed, so the speeds are much slower with the unit powered off, with a 29 millisecond latency also.
Cut.